Hi everyone, I decided to film a quick video showing how I moisturize my hair using the LCO method. I find that this method works much better for me than lock. First, I spritz my hair. Then I apply a cream moisturizer. And afterwards, I seal my hair with a light oil. I find that the heavier the oils are, the more they just sit on top of my hair. Finally, I either braid or two-strand twist my hair. This allows the products to evaporate slowly, giving them more time to penetrate my strands. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like these tips, be sure to hit the subscribe button.